Okay, here we are again. We got in the dark core mouse, CORSAIR, and I've been messing around with it a little bit. As you can see from my regular Logitech, it's a wee bit bigger, but it feels good in your hand. And it also comes with an extra magnetic side plate, so you can have it rest your little finger on it. Goes on the right side, and it comes with a braided cord if you need to charge it. That's if you don't have one of the CORSAIR MM1000 keys. That's the little light you see. It's actually charging my phone too, so that's pretty cool. But this mouse, it's got 6 different areas where there's RGB if you want it, and I'll just show you over here. I'll take my phone off. Let's see here. Sometimes it's a little tricky to get centered. There you go. Okay. Now it's actually charging my mouse. So you should never run out of juice in your mouse. And you just slide it up there in the corner until it starts flashing, and you're good to go for the whole time until it charges it. For about 10 hours, I believe is what it is. And it comes with your instructions. A warranty guide. And the safety and compliance. And my eyes are bad right now. I'm fixing to have surgery on them on the 13th of next month, so I've got all the instructions blown up on the internet. How cool is that? I mean, you can find anything, but it's got, you can set your DPIs. It's got your dongle for you can plug it right in behind the MM1000 and use it. And it's what else it's got? This thing's pretty cool. Oh, you can go a little bit hard to see here, but you can go you can change it from Bluetooth to direct. And you can change, you can shut off the RGBs, turn on certain ones. And it's got your scroll wheel on top. And you can change your DPIs on the side. When you calibrate it, it brings up a little screen, and you just go in circles, in tight circles, and it'll get you right down to it. I've never seen anything quite like that. So it's pretty awesome, to tell you the truth. And it's got your battery light here. And if, like I said, if you needed to charge it, it's got a charging port in front. But I actually like it. It's as easy to use as the Logitech. I mean, the Logitech was smaller and free-flowing, but this, I found it just as free-flowing, and it's not really heavy, I don't think. So anyway, that's pretty much it. If you got any questions, you can look it up too on the internet. It's the CORSAIR Dark Core RGB Pro, and it actually charges on the CORSAIR MM1000 with the Qi. So it's pretty cool. I can't say anything bad about it. Now, going back to the CORSAIR, the MM1000, it is a solid mouse pad. It's not flexible or anything like that. So just to let you know, some people like flexible mouse pads, and it's not flexible at all. But it's nice. I mean, it doesn't slide around or anything like that. So CORSAIR makes some good stuff. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you do, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. If you want me to add something or look it up, let me know. And feel free to subscribe. We like subscribers. I like subscribers.